Okay, you're going to be using the supplied link to go to the VoiceThread page, and you're going to see this guy, me, Mr. Hancock, your teacher, and I am reading the speech. So I wanted you guys to have a chance to hear the speech read somewhat dramatically. We're not going to take a look at that right now. You'll take a look at that when you get to this page. You're going to be in a breakout group on Zoom as you access this, and you're going to take a look at this speech here. Okay, so we have this speech, the Macbeth dagger speech, and uh, you're going to go ahead and read through it, and you're going to come up with a strategy, come up with some ways in which you can get to the meaning of this speech. So you may want to break it up into parts, um, but you need to discuss it together. What is going on in this speech? What is being said? What does it mean? Um, how does the context and background information from the rest of the play connect to this speech? And then how can you use research and resources to extend your knowledge and gain some information that might help you understand the speech? So you might decide that one person in the group is going to research Hecate and Tarquin, who are mentioned in the play but are not characters in the play, and we have no real idea who or what they are. What is Macbeth talking about there? That requires some outside research to make some sense of that. Um, some of you may go into the psychological issues of what is going on in this speech. Um, while some of you will be focused on the words, on the figurative language, on um, not just the literal meaning, but also the figurative meaning as well. So this speech is posted along with my reading of the um, speech. So what you're going to do, you guys are going to have some time to look at that and to discuss it together. And then we're going to go ahead and end the Zoom so that you guys can record on the VoiceThread page. That'd be a bit tricky to do while we're in Zoom. So we will end the Zoom, and this will be your um, homework assignment. And all you need to do to make a reply to a voice thread is simply to click on this comment button, okay? And the comment button is on both of those slides. So if you want to do this, you can click this on where I'm reading the speech. You can also click this on the text of the speech itself, which might be easier because you've got the speech right in front of you. All right. So VoiceThread is very easy to use. You simply click make a comment, and you've got kind of this semicircle of choices here. You can type a text comment. So this would be similar to what we do in our discussion board on Schoology. You type a comment, a response. You can also make a comment through your phone. You can make a comment and record an audio comment if you're not ready to be seen, but you are ready to be heard, which I think a lot of you may be more comfortable with that. That's perfectly fine. You record an audio comment. You can also record a video comment, and the video comment would use your webcam to record you so your classmates could see you. If you want to dramatically read a certain section of the play and kind of act it out with gestures and be very dramatic, that would be an option for the video comment. Last of all, you are able to upload a comment. So if you wanted to type something in another format and then upload that here, you could do that and it would be part of the VoiceThread. So the idea here, what we're doing is, and the reason I have you guys in the breakout rooms as you discuss this, is we don't all want to talk about the same things, okay? We want to talk about different aspects of the speech. There are different parts of the speech where Macbeth is saying different things. There's different figurative language, different metaphors. There's a lot going on in this speech. It's one of the most famous soliloquies in all of Shakespeare's plays. So there are a lot of different ways we can respond to that. And you're going to pick a specific aspect to comment on. So maybe you're talking about a couple lines. Maybe you're talking about an idea or concept from the speech. Maybe you are recording a dramatic reading of a certain part of the speech. But the thing is, each of us are not individually trying to explain the whole speech. We're working together to take parts of the speech and figure out the meaning of those individual parts. And then collectively, our comments together are hopefully going to give us a lot more insight into what is going on in this speech and what it means. All right, so that is, it's as simple as clicking again on the comment wheel here and then deciding what form you want your comment or commentary to take. And then that becomes part of the conversation about this.